Hey, what's up guys? Stop scrolling for a second. If you're thinking about starting YouTube or you just uploaded your first video, listen carefully because I'm about to save you months of frustration. These are the 5 exact mistakes I made when I started my channel, and trust me, they almost made me quit. If you avoid these, you'll grow faster and keep your sanity. Let's get into it. What I wish I knew before starting YouTube. The number 1 biggest mistakes I made is thinking good content is enough. I used to spend hours making videos I thought were amazing, but guess what? No one clicked on them. Why? Because titles and thumbnails matter more than the video itself. Your video could be gold, but if nobody clicks, it's dead. So, spend as much time on your title and thumbnail as you do on the content. The number 2 biggest mistakes I made is I waited months before uploading my first video because I thought I needed the best camera, the best mic, the perfect background. Huge waste of time. All you need is your phone and good lighting. Start messy, improve as you go. The number 3 biggest mistakes I made, this one hurt, chasing subscribers instead of learning audience retention. Views and subscribers will come if you can make people stay on your videos. Focus on making people watch to the end. That's how the algorithm loves you. The number 4 biggest mistakes I made is another thing no one told me. Monetization takes time. I thought I'd hit 1,000 subscribers in a month. Nope. YouTube is a marathon. Be ready to stay consistent for months before you see results. And the number 5 biggest mistakes I made is I ignored my analytics for months. Big mistake. YouTube literally tells you what's working and what's not. Check your click-through rate, watch time, and retention. If people drop off after 30 seconds, your intro might be boring. So if you're starting YouTube, remember, don't wait for perfect. Focus on click-worthy titles and thumbnails and make people watch to the end. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass for more YouTube growth tips. And comment below, what's your biggest struggle right now on YouTube? I'll reply to as many as I can. Fix these 5 exact mistakes. Start today, grow tomorrow. Big shout out to all my amazing subscribers and viewers. Remember this, don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the journey and a sign that you're growing. Every mistake is a lesson that makes you better. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay inspired and keep creating. Have an awesome day, everyone.